Are you tired of fumbling for change or dealing with slow card readers at your shop? Do you wish there was a faster, more seamless way for your customers to pay? Imagine a world where transactions are instantaneous, secure, and require nothing more than a quick scan. What if I told you that world is not only possible but easily achievable for your business right now, thanks to Venmo QR codes? In today's fast-paced retail environment, convenience is king. Customers expect quick, hassle-free payment options, and businesses that fail to adapt risk being left behind. We've all seen the shift towards digital payments, with apps like Venmo leading the charge. What many shop owners might not realize is just how easy it is to harness the power of Venmo's QR code system to revolutionize their checkout process. This isn't just about offering another payment method, it's about streamlining operations, enhancing customer experience, and ultimately, boosting your bottom line. Think about it. No more transaction fees eating into your profits from traditional card processing. For certain Venmo business transactions, no more complicated POS systems, and no more waiting for funds to clear. Venmo QR codes offer a direct, efficient, and increasingly popular way for your customers to pay. Whether you run a bustling coffee shop, a quirky boutique, a busy food truck, or even a service-based business, integrating Venmo QR codes can transform how you handle transactions. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of how to get your Venmo QR codes, let's understand why this is such a game-changer. Venmo isn't just a peer-to-peer payment app anymore, it's a legitimate and robust platform for businesses. Its widespread adoption, especially among younger demographics, means you're tapping into a massive user base that's already comfortable and familiar with the app. For customers, it's incredibly convenient. Just open the app, scan, and confirm. For you, the business owner, it simplifies reconciliation, reduces errors, and provides instant notification of payments. Plus, offering a modern payment option like Venmo projects an image of a forward-thinking business, appealing to tech-savvy customers and potentially attracting new ones. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of Venmo for your shop? Let's break down the process step by step, from setting up your business profile to displaying those all-important QR codes. This isn't rocket science, it's a straightforward process that can yield significant benefits for your business. The very first and most crucial step is to set up a Venmo business profile. Many people use Venmo for personal transactions, but for your shop, you absolutely need a dedicated business profile. This is distinct from your personal account and comes with several advantages. A business profile allows you to accept payments for goods and services. This is key. Personal accounts are not intended for commercial use, and attempting to use them for business can lead to account limitations or even suspension. Generate QR codes specifically for your business. These QR codes are linked directly to your business profile, ensuring payments are correctly attributed and tracked. Gain access to business features. This includes transaction history for easy bookkeeping, dispute resolution tools, and potentially lower transaction fees for eligible transactions. Display your business name and logo. When customers pay, they'll see your business name, building trust and brand recognition. If you already have a personal Venmo account, you can easily convert it or create a separate business profile linked to your existing login. If you're completely new to Venmo, you'll start by creating an account and then proceeding to set up your business profile. To set up your Venmo business profile, open the Venmo app. Tap the Me tab, your profile icon. Look for an option like Create a Business Profile or Switch to a Business Profile. It might be located under Settings or directly on your profile page. Follow the prompts to enter your business information. This will typically include your business name, category, and possibly your employer identification number, EIN, if you have one, or your social security number, SSN, if you're a sole proprietor. You'll also need to link a bank account for transferring your funds. This is crucial as it's where your Venmo earnings will eventually land. Once your business profile is active, you're ready for the exciting part, generating your Venmo QR code. Venmo makes this incredibly simple. There are generally two main ways to get your QR code, directly from the app or by ordering a physical kit. Method 1, generating your QR code directly from the Venmo app, the easiest and fastest way. This is the most common and immediate method. Open the Venmo app and ensure you're logged into your business profile. You might need to switch from your personal profile if you have both. Navigate to your business profile page. Look for an icon or a section related to QR code or accept payments. It's often a square icon that resembles a QR code itself. Tap on this icon. You should see your unique business QR code displayed on your screen. This QR code is what your customers will scan. You can then take a screenshot. This is a quick way to get a digital copy. Save the image to your phone's gallery. Most apps will have a save image or download option. Share the QR code. You might have options to share it directly via email or messaging apps if you need to send it to a printer or graphic designer. Once you have this digital image, you have a plethora of options for displaying it in your shop. Method 2. Ordering a physical Venmo QR kit. For a more professional and durable display, Venmo offers physical QR kits. These often include stickers, pre-printed QR code stickers that you can place on your counter, register, or doors. Standees/decals, larger, more prominent displays that can sit on your counter or be affixed to walls. Table tents, ideal for restaurants or cafes. To order a kit. Within your Venmo business profile, look for an option like Order QR Kit or Physical QR Codes. Follow the instructions to select the type of kit you want and provide your shipping address. There might be a small fee associated with ordering these kits, or they might be free depending on promotions. The advantage of a physical kit is that it's ready to use and often made of durable materials, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.